Hey, and welcome back to the Juice Bar. So, today I realized in yesterday's post that there are some key components of building a custom agent that I had not yet addressed. So, today I'm going to talk about a little bit about what goes into a custom agent. And before we even start that, we should identify what a custom agent is. So it's a series of interconnected components that enables the agent to perceive, act, reason. Oh, and I got act in there twice. So sometimes I guess it's going to act twice, um, and learn within a specified environment. So this could be, as the case yesterday, and I would recommend watching these two videos together. But in yesterday's post, we did some call research and preparation for an upcoming call. And other examples are we could upload data around a sales process. We could review customer success data. We can create a call, like a customer service call agent that directs. So similar to the chatbots that we all see, but much, much better and can be by phone and actually in a human voice. So there's all kinds of ways we can do it. These are just a few that could be interesting. So the key components of a custom agent is going to be it's got a prompt, which is the instructions to act. And then there's some tools, which might be telling it to go out and get information and bring it back, or telling it to go out and give information to prompt something else. So there's the tools, and there's a brain, which is, of course, going to be the reasoning model. And we talked about that um, in a previous post, which is the different types of models within the existing types of brain. So there's more than just this. There's perplexity. There's a bunch more for various processes. And then even within GPT, there's 5 or 6 or however many, Claude, 5 or 6, Gemini, right? And then there's the memory, and the memory can be what happened previously and what your response and outcome, or kind of response to it was. But it could also be, did you upload and have it ingest any specifics? So, for example, it could be what your protocol is, or how you define a certain term, or one example I've seen used for the custom agents is calling into a company's database of knowledge and helping to access that, and saying, so if you're an employee in your desk all day and you need to call in and find piece X, Y, or Z of a certain SOP or a certain product manual, you could look for it and search for it yourself and try to find it within possibly an archaic um, archiving system or document storage system. Or you could feed all of that in and let your agent go and find that for you. So you just say, hey, agent, go get me this document, and it would serve that, right? So that those kinds of functions happen within memory. And then, so this is just diving a little deeper in what I didn't include in um, the post I made yesterday about my first agent. So basically what we've got is there's going to be, so these are 3 different tools that I strung together. So you remember I suggested a tool that is tools. So there's this tool, which is specifically gathering the prospect research. And then I give it input, and it goes to the brain, and then it connects into here, and I give it more input, and it's a different tool doing a different action based on the prompt. So I guess I didn't include in here that there's a prompt, and that's right here. So there's the prompt. Well, I'm not sure where I'd put it. I guess that's why I didn't put a prompt. But the prompt happens within this action, and then within this action, and then within this action. And then this one, the instruction was to give it this output. And that is it. So that is kind of a little bit more of the nuts and bolts. And as I learn and grow, I just am committed to sharing every day new tidbits, because when I started, I was just blown away when I realized what you can do with AI. And truthfully, it's coming. Whether we like it or not, it's coming. So I decided to get on board. You indeed can learn new tricks. All right. Have a fantastic day, and we'll see you next time.